नमस्कार, हेलो एवरीबॉडी, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। और मैं हंसा आ गई हूँ आपका वीकली प्रेडिक्शन लेके, जो कि है जनवरी 2021 का सेकेंड वीक। तो आशा करती हूँ कि आपकी नए साल की शुरुआत बहुत अच्छी गई होगी। और हमेशा की तरह से मेरे प्रेडिक्शंस होते हैं सन, मून और राइजिंग पे। आपका सन साइन, आपका मून साइन और आपका असेंडेंट। अगर आपको पता है बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं पता है तो मैं हूँ ना, आस्क मी, आई विल टेल यू अबाउट इट। शुरुआत करते हैं हम एरीज यानी कि मेष राशि से। मेष राशि क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए टैरो कार्ड्स। मेष राशि आपके लिए आया है 7 ऑफ सॉर्ड्स का कार्ड। 7 ऑफ सॉर्ड्स का कार्ड का मतलब है कि या तो कोई आपको कुछ आपसे चुरा रहा है या आप किसी से कुछ चुरा के जा रहे हैं। और मतलब कुछ चोरी भी हो सकती है, तो ध्यान रखिए उस चीज़ का। और जो है आप शायद अपनी जॉब के बारे में थोड़ा सा परेशान है, क्योंकि यही कहता है आपके लिए 7 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स का कार्ड कि यू आर रियली स्ट्रगलिंग हार्ड एट वॉट एवर जंक्शन यू आर एट द मोमेंट। चाहे आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ हो, चाहे आपकी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हो या एजुकेशन का कोई मामला हो, तो वहाँ पे आपको थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आ रही है। यू रियली स्ट्रगलिंग हार्ड फॉर दैट एंड यू आर ट्राइंग योर बेस्ट, बट दिस इज ओनली दिस वीक, सो जस्ट हैंग इन देयर। क्योंकि तीसरा जो आपके पास कार्ड आया है वो आया है एस ऑफ कप। सो कोई भी नई बिगनिंग हो सकती है जो आप काम के लिए चाह रहे हो, या यू ट्राइंग फॉर योर एजुकेशन और योर पर्सनल लाइफ। ऑफकोर्स देयर इज लव का एंगल तो है, तो लव में भी कुछ नया प्यार का इजहार या प्यार की शुरुआत हो सकती है। सो कुल मिला के इट्स अ वेरी नॉट हैपनिंग, बट यू कैन मेक इट हैपन अगर आप इमोशनली चीज़ों को देखें, नॉट गेटिंग टू प्रैक्टिकल अबाउट इट। Just bring the balance in your week and you will find the solution that you're looking forward to this week, मेष राशि। और ज़्यादा है तो आप प्लीज़ हनुमान चालीसा का पाठ करिए, क्योंकि मंगल है वो आपको उनके लिए करना पड़ेगा ध्यान। आप उनकी पूजा करिए, हनुमान चालीसा पढ़िए एंड यू विल सी द रिजल्ट। और मैं लेके आई यूनिकॉर्न एंजल कार्ड एंड व्हाट इट सेज, ओह माय गॉड, नेचर। Nature is telling you to go in for something outdoor activities कीजिए, योगा कीजिए। और अगर आपकी तबीयत ख़राब है तो look for something more alternate medicine, होम्योपैथिक है, आयुर्वेदिक है, उस तरह से आप अपना ख्याल रखिए। ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज कीजिए एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट द मैसेज फॉर यू दिस वीक एरीज। अब देखते हैं कि क्या कहते हैं टॉरस के लिए, वृषभ के लिए टैरो कार्ड्स। आपके लिए आया है 3 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, मतलब कि आप जिस चीज़ का इंतजार कर रहे हैं यू ऑलमोस्ट है, और यू मेकिंग अ प्लान टू गो फॉर ट्रैवल समवेयर शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस पॉसिबली। दैट्स व्हाट द 3 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स इज टेलिंग फॉर यू वृषभ राशि। आपके लिए दूसरा कार्ड आता है नाइट ऑफ कप्स। सो आप कहीं अपने दिल की बात का इजहार करना चाहते हैं, आप अपने दिल की बात को कहीं कहना चाहते हैं, कुछ प्रपोज करना चाहते हैं जो आप अभी तक नहीं कर पाए थे, वो आपके लिए कार्ड आया है। और तीसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है द हैंग्ड मैन। Now the hanged man suggests that आप थोड़ा सा और स्टडी करना चाहते हैं, just because you feel that you need a little more time. If you're going to propose somebody, you will take a step back in proposing. Let me go slowly, steadily and do the needful. और अगर आप किसी चीज़ का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं तो it will be a very calculated move if you want to travel somewhere, so that you are benefited by the journey, by the proposal, by the job which you're looking forward to. Let's see what the unicorn card have to say, and it has dropped by itself. It says prosperity. Well, you can't ask for anything better. It's prosperity for you Taurians, so just enjoy it. अब बात करते हैं हम जेमिनाइज की। जेमिनाइज आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स। ओके, दोनों इकट्ठे आते हैं तो ले लेते हैं। आपके लिए आया है 9 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स। 9 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स कह रहा है कि यू आर होल्डिंग योर ग्राउंड टू वट एवर यू बीन वेटिंग फॉर। जो आपने काम किया है उसके लिए आप डट के खड़े कि जो है वो सब सही है। एंड ऑल्सो यूर लिटिल स्टबर्न अबाउट, बिकॉज एम्परर का कार्ड भी आया है आपके लिए, तो आपके लिए स्टबर्न है उस डिसीजन को लेके जो आपके लिए आया है। बट द 2 अदर कार्ड्स आर द हाई प्रीस्टेस एंड द जजमेंट विच हैज़ कम। The high priestess is suggesting you that you need to get a little spiritual, or there is something hidden which you need to find out and that you have to do. And the judgment says you will get what you want. There is a new birth which is happening in your life, in your work, in your education. So if you're stuck up on some things, You will see the light at the end of the day. That's what the card is suggesting you. And also the High Priestess is asking you to go a little into the meditation and find answers over there for what you are actually looking for. And let's see what the unicorn cards have to say for you, Geminis. It says, oh my god, rebirth. Judgment का कार्ड आया था और rebirth है. So there is a second chance, resurrection, whatever you can call it. It is happening for you, Geminis. So कुल मिला के ये हफ्ता आपके लिए अच्छा है because some new opportunities are coming your way, which you have been so looking forward to. बात आती है कैंसर की. कैंसर आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं? टैरो कार्ड देखते हैं. Something fell. I'll see that also. Wow. Okay, Cancer. आपके लिए आया है the Temperance का कार्ड. Temperance का कार्ड है that you have to find balance between whatever you're doing, whether it's to work or whether your personal life and professional life, your spiritual life or materialistic life. And balance आपको लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है अपनी ज़िंदगी में, Cancerians. और आपके लिए आया है 6 of Cups का कार्ड. 6 of Cups का कार्ड यही कहता है कि you are going to do something about your kids, or maybe you will get nostalgic about your old school days when you were with your peers and maybe your siblings and all. That's what you're going to do this week. And आपके लिए आया है the Page of Sword. The Page of Sword is saying that you are looking for some kind of information flowing in your life. This week you're waiting for something, so you might get an email or a message or a WhatsApp or maybe a call that whatever you've been waiting for. So that's what the card is saying at the moment for you, Cancerians. और जो चौथा कार्ड गिरा था वो है Devil का कार्ड. तो you need to get over the very possessive nature that you have. Just let go of it. And let's say what the unicorn cards have to say for you. Adventure. Well, adventure is a beautiful thing to do, so just go out, enjoy yourself rather than being too stubborn about anything in your life. That's what the card suggests. Time for Leo. Leo आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं tarot cards? Leo, there's a death card for you. Death is like some transformation is happening in your life and you are changing from what you were to something different. कुछ change आपकी ज़िंदगी में हो रहा है. That's what the death card says, so do not resist it. आपके लिए आया है Queen of Swords का card. The females, you are very practical this week and you will take very analytical decision. जो भी आपको काम करना है उसके बारे में बहुत सोच विचार करके आप आगे कदम बढ़ाएंगी. और तीसरा आया है the Empress का कार्ड. The Empress का कार्ड again more toward the female side that you are doing absolutely fine because आप बहुत हिम्मत करके यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं. Because you've been very very balanced. It's time to enjoy the fruits of it. So just go for it. But Leos, you need to understand, if you're a male, the death card for you is also suggesting that you are not ready to adapt the change. You're not ready to take, because the 2 female cards are there for you. So you are kind of want to be there, but you are taking a wrong decision by not talking to them, or maybe you're thinking I'm good without it. So it's a kind of a situation that you need to change with time, because everyone changes and you need to understand the change is the only constant in your life, Leos. Let's see the unicorn cards आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं. Oh, this is coming out. Okay, the 2 cards have come out for you, Leos. One is the Sanctuary and the second is the Nature, and both is similar. You need to really step out, breathe, do yoga and go for some adventure trip to clear your mind, to understand what is happening in your life. Because adventure जहाँ होता है, your hormones start changing because you're in a happy way. Your energies will find the right resolution and solution for yourself. So this is what the card is suggesting for you. Just do that, Leos. Time for Virgos. Let's see Virgos आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं tarot cards. Virgos आपके लिए आया है 5 of Swords का card, which is like there's a little situation which is not in your hand at the moment, or you're trying to control a lot of things by yourself, that this is me, this is what I want to do and that is my way, or you take a highway. That's what the card is saying for you, 5 thing. The second card is come is 9 of Cups. Now this is a wish card. So अगर आप किसी के लिए wish कर रहे हैं तो wish with right specific thinking and you shall be granted. Third आपके लिए आया Lovers card. So maybe somewhere you're looking for some kind of a romance out, or you're looking for some love partner in your life, and also somewhere in your what do you say, business, you're looking for a right partner so that you can grow in your business. And that's the time post COVID, everything is about coming together and making a new decision and new life together. So that's what Virgos, the card is suggesting for you this week. I think it's better than last week. Now let's see what the unicorn cards have to say. Well, healer. Boom. Okay, you need a healer to heal, or you heal yourself. So अगर आपको कहीं कोई problem है तो आप meditate कर सकते हैं, or you can ask some healer to help you to heal you, and that's what the week is all about. बारी आती है Libra. Let's see what the cards have to say. Libra, आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं tarot cards? Okay, the 2 cards open up. Fantastic. Libra, oh my God, last में तो 3 cards हैं आपके लिए. Libra आपके लिए आया है 9 of Cups का card, which is a wish card. Wish card is again आप जो चीज़ की चाह रखते हैं, जो wish कर रहे हैं, that is going to happen. Again, the Lovers card has come. Oh my God, back to back. So the Lovers card is saying that आपकी ज़िंदगी में जो फैमिली लाइफ है वहाँ पे बहुत सुख शांति प्यार मोहब्बत होने वाली है. जो 3 कार्ड आपके लिए लास्ट में निकले हैं Libra, वो है Fool, 9 of Pentacles and the 5 of Swords. Okay, so the Fool card is suggesting you're going to start a new journey in your personal life, if I would say that, because that's how it's showing. You're going to start out a new chapter, a new way of looking at your relationship. That's what the card is saying. And also the 9 of Pentacles suggesting the females are going to be very, very spiritual, and they are going to splurge also on themselves by going to the spa and getting good massage done, just because they have reached this place and they deserve it. But the last card, which is come from the 5 of Swords, is that you should not be too bossy, especially the females. You will not be too bossy, because that's not the right way of dealing the whole stuff. So Librans, I believe this is a very good week for you, because everything is nice, love and romance in it. Let's see what the unicorn cards have to say. Expansion. Expansion is like expansion of your personal life, expansion of your family, your job, your business. So spread your wings and fly high. Now it's time for Scorpios. Wrishchik, क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए tarot cards? Okay, दोनों इकट्ठे आते हैं तो oh my god, I'm gonna take the third. The Magician का कार्ड है. तो Magician का कार्ड ये कहता है the magic is all around you. You have to believe in the magic to happen. And also the card of Star has come and the Moon has come, and the last is the Devil. Honestly speaking, if I take the third. So actually they're all major arcanas which has come for you, Vrishchik Rashi. So that is that the universe is working for you. It's all the universe decision. It's a divinity decision which is happening for you. Something big is happening in your life this week, Vrishchik Rashi. और जब ये है तो stars are changing in your favor. But the Devil card is also suggesting that you are kind of not accepting the change that is coming your way, और कुछ आपकी ज़िंदगी में अड़चने हैं जो आपको हटानी हैं. And the Moon card is saying that you are very anxious somewhere because your life you want to change, and this is taking a time longer. So what you need to do, believe in the magic and remove this obstacle in your life, which you can do, because this is also about manifesting. Manifest and it shall happen, and the stars are with you, but you have to leave your anxiety, your like dreamy behavior that you have. You wish for it, but the dreams can only come true when you let the magic happen. So please work towards it, let the magic happen, so that you can reap the fruits that you are so looking forward to in your life. Unicorn card for Wrishchik is friendship. Okay. Now this is a beautiful card. We all have friends around ourselves and we have to look up to them to help you out. So reach out to your friends, reach out to the people you know, you call them your friend, but not everybody is your friend. Let me be very honest with you. People who can stand by you in your bad time and are happy for your good time are your real friends. So go out with them. Time for Sagittarius. क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए कार्ड Sagittarius? Alright, oh my god, okay. Sagittarius आपके लिए आया है 9 of Wands का कार्ड. So you are again holding your ground. You're very steadfast about it कि यहाँ पे जो चीज़ है वो सही है and you're very very critical about it that I will not budge from this place. But आपके लिए जो दूसरा कार्ड आया है वो King of Cups का कार्ड है. You have to handle it softly. The father figure of the house, the boss, or you can yourself can be a little loving, caring, and more nurturing towards the people and your employees or your family people. But the Tarka card is saying some sudden changes coming your way because last is the Ace of Cups. So the change is coming. So you need to be taking care. Maybe in love relationship something is gonna go a little awry. So you need to handle this problem of the Tar with soft hands and see how it goes for you, Sagittarius. You can't be stubborn about anything. Handle with care everything that you're handling this week, whether it's love life, relationship, profession, or yourself. Let's say what the unicorn cards have to say for you, Sagittarius, and it's healer. You need healing again, okay? So please heal yourself or ask the healer to heal you. That's what the card suggests for you. अब बारी आती है मकर यानी कि कैप्रिकॉर्न. कैप्रिकॉर्न क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए कार्ड्स? लेट्स सी. Capricorn आपके लिए है 5 of Wands. You are frustrated, you're anxious, you're disturbed, mentally very anxious of what and how and where the things going to happen for you. It's a mental anxiety for you. But आपके लिए साथ में ही आया है 4 of Wands का card, which is saying the celebration, some good news is coming your way. Maybe some celebration in the house or your friends or family or maybe your job. जिस चीज़ का आप इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं उसके लिए कुछ तो डेफिनेटली आएगा क्योंकि आपके लिए पेज ऑफ वॉन्ड्स भी आया है. So some new beginning is happening for sure. Capricorn आपकी ज़िंदगी में मकर राशि. तो जो आपके दिमाग की एंग्जाइटी है उसको आप साइड में रखिए. Wait and enjoy the good new beginning that's happening in your life this week, Capricorn, Makar Rashi. And now let's see what the unicorn cards say for you. Oh, it's a rebirth. Wow. So I believe it's right because you have been struggling for your things to change, life to change. It's an indication from the unicorn angels that there is a rebirth. So the new things will happen. So be prepared for it. Well, time for Kumbh Rashi, yani ki Aquarian, and let's see what the Aquarians have in store. Wow, Aquarian, you have the 8 of Wands, which is saying that you are going to get some good news soon. Alright, some good news is coming your way, Aquarians. And the second is 2 of Wands, which you have been waiting for, and you have been very, very anxious and feeling very burdened. That's what the card of 10 of Wands is saying to you कि आप बहुत दिनों से कोशिश कर रहे थे कि आपके कंधे से बर्डन उतरे और आप उसको ढो के चल रहे थे, Aquarians. But the thing is that it's almost there. So just wait for some time, hang in there. You will get the desired result that you've been so looking forward to. And even for students and even for professionals, just by carrying the weight on yourself will not give you the result. तो उसको उतार के रखिए, यूनिवर्स में बिलीव कीजिए और डिवाइन टाइमिंग की वेट कीजिए क्योंकि वही आपका सबसे बड़ा सहारा है. टाइम फॉर द यूनिकॉर्न कार्ड्स. लेट्स सी एक्वेरियन आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं. Discernment. You know the meaning of this? Okay, I'll tell you. Discernment is all is not what is desired by you. So stay true to yourself. Just stay true to yourself and you'll find the answers. Alright, time for Pisces, the last मीन राशि. देखें आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स. ओके, वेल आपके लिए तीनों swords के कार्ड आए हैं. Beautiful. Like, are you going to be very, very practical? Pisces, completely different from what you are at the moment. Very, very practical week for you, Pisces. Knight of Swords is saying you'll be charging. You are all there to win the battle. Go for it. Change the course of direction of everything that you want to do. That is what the Knight of Sword is saying for you. And also the King of Sword has come. King of Sword is telling you you will be very, very practical for any decision in your life. You will not be emotional, but कहीं आपको emotions थोड़ा सा लेकर आओ, बहुत practical हो जाओगे तो you will be suffocating yourself, Pisces. And which is the third card saying the Two of Swords. Two of Swords is saying that you are taking this practical decision because emotionally somewhere you are very disheveled. आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि दिल की बात जो होती है ना वो आपको समझ नहीं आ रही, इमोशंस आपको समझ नहीं आ रहे हैं. So you want to break free from the emotional thing in your life and just for a change try to get practical and look towards the thing of दिल, दिमाग और हर चीज़ को आप एक बहुत एनालिटिकल तरीके से देखना चाहते हैं क्योंकि you think that is the right way to look at things. Sometimes yes, you have to look at the things in the right way. So कभी कभी आप ओवर इमोशनल जब हो जाते हैं तो आपको चीज़ें ठीक से दिखती नहीं है, तो प्रैक्टिकल होना ज़रूरी है, पर ज़्यादा भी प्रैक्टिकल मत होइएगा. और आपका यूनिकॉर्न क्या कहता है? ग्रोथ है. अरे वाह, प्रैक्टिकल होते ही आपके पास ग्रोथ आ गई, क्या बात है Pisces. तो ग्रोथ है तो ये फिर प्रैक्टिकल होना अच्छा है, पर अपने दिल को मत दुखाइएगा, यही मेरी सलाह है आपको. और ग्रोथ आपके साथ में है तो I think this 2021 is going in a right direction for your Pisces, so be happy about it. Alright, जाने के पहले हमेशा की तरह से यूनिवर्स हैज़ योर बैक का कार्ड है. डेक देखते हैं कि हम सब के लिए क्या कहते हैं यूनिवर्स. लेट्स सी, 2 निकल के आए हैं. Oh my God. When I lean on the faith of the universe, peace becomes real. So it's a very simple thing. अगर आप ऊपर वाले पे या यूनिवर्स पे विश्वास रखते हैं and you completely believe in the universe and divinity, you shall find peace in any situation that you are in. And I choose love no matter what. Wonderful, both of the cards. I choose love no matter what is also telling you that love is the only thing to conquer the world. You fight, you have disagreements, you have, you don't feel being on the same page with your friends, partner or yourself. The only way to go forward is love. I hope this reading will come in very handy and useful to everybody who's watching this. And please, as always, thank you so much for your love and support, and I am just so happy. इतना encouragement मुझे आप सबके पास से मिलता है. और please do not forget to like, share and subscribe and ding the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I post the video. And please share it because आप share करेंगे तो बाकियों का भी थोड़ा फ़ायदा हो जाएगा. With that, see you next week and God bless you all. Love and light.